Welcome, let's actually test whether a knife that has not been cut can be easily revived. The bottom of the ceramic cup has a polishing surface, so you can sharpen the blade. Wet the polishing surface with water. Rub it on the wet surface, but keep the right angle to a certain extent. The angle that your finger can fit may be just right. It's about 20 degrees. First, I'll rub it about 10 times. Wet the opposite side in the same way, then rub it about the same number of times. In fact, a knife that can be cut has the characteristic of getting caught when gently tracing the fingernail. It still seems to be slippery, which means that it is not very sharp now. Please remember this confirmation method. Let's sharpen it again to the same extent as in the previous procedure. The result is obvious. If it is useful, please press the high rating button, subscribe to the channel, and check out other useful techniques. I'm waiting for another video.